Can't imagine anyone disagreeing with the both of you saying na San Miguel is a team to beat. I think ang magkakatalo na is sino yung number 2, sino yung number 3.
Yeah.
I mean, who will that? No? But looks like yung San Miguel group is going to dominate those lists. So maybe we can start with Magnolia kasi they're just coming off a championship.
And Ginebra.
And Barangay Ginebra. So those two teams, okay, let's focus on the pambansang manok first. Yung Magnolia Paparoni, why should they be seriously considered as a Philippine Cup contender?
Well, number 1, they're solid. Number 2, nanalo na yung mga bata eh. The hardest thing to do sa mga young players is to win their first championship. Pag nakaranas na yan kung paano at matuto kung makagawa ng paraan para maging winning team, napakahirap talunin. At sabi nga nila, losing is a habit eh. But more importantly, winning is a habit. And when you win one, you want to win more.
Eh, nung nandito nga si Paul Lee, Coach Alan.
Gumanong-ganon ba?
Hindi naman, pero parang sabi ni Paul Lee, nakahinga na siya kasi alam na niyang pakiramdam na makapagbigay ng championship sa Magnolia.
That's true. I agree with Ronnie. Talagang malaking factor yon yung moral boosting, yung pagkakapanalo nila. But ang major question dyan is sino yung mag-feel nung spot ni import nila si Travis. So dapat mag-step up
babalik
yung
na si Ping.
Si Ping, yeah. If Ping is 100% ready, malaking tulong yun.
So dadagdag mo si Ping kay Paul Lee who's now a champion with Magnolia. Nag-champion niya sa Reno siya. And then Gio Lalo, alam na niya.
Yes.
As Paparoni said, alam na niya how it is.
I think Calisan is also with the pambansang manok.
So, sila. So, they're coming in really strong sa Philippine Cup. Barangay Ginebra always comes in strong. No surprises here na they're always considered a title contender, Coach Ronnie.
Alam mo, kung hindi lang nadagit nung third conference, kasi alam naman natin kung sinong hari sa final conference ng PBA. Sila yon. And I think that will make them more hungry. And probably si Slaughter will have something to prove na yung All-Filipino, hindi lang teritoryo ni Junmar Fajardo na kaya din niyang sumubay. At saka, I think they are injury-free heading dito sa opening. So, pag ganon, at presko, pahingado eh. Hindi naglaro all the way to the finals eh. Ang hirap kalaban din.
I think there's another guy na sisingit dyan kay Junmar and Greg. It's not even a big guy. It's Scotty Thompson.
Yeah, oo.
Parang kilala ko rin yun.
Well, makikita mo naman talaga yung kung paano nag-blossom si Scotty from his rookie year hanggang ngayon. He's considered one of the superstars ng PBA and expect him to be one of their leaders para sa Ginebra.